Cladding can be translated to an additional layer applied on exteriors on a building to protect its interiors. It is a carefully chosen layer that not only protects the building from harsh weather but also looks attractive and stylish. It is cost effective and makes the building weathertight, providing resistance from the scorching heat and reducing the temperature of the building from the inside. It also provides a good lighting and acoustic on the interior. Components of cladding. Insulation. It means to provide efficiency and thermal protection to your project and also proves to be cost efficient. It keeps the temperature of the interior cool. They are added in the form of boards, fills. Joints. They are intended to ensure weather tightness despite the movement of your building is subjected to. They allow natural movement and act as movement joints. Internal drainage. It refers to the control of water leakage through the holes and cladding in the building. It allows water to flow smoothly through the walls, keeping it from flowing out. Interior finishes. It refers to the finishing layer applied on the interiors of the support frame, usually with the help of a gypsum board. Support framing. It is the supportive structure for the exterior structure to stay connected to the main building. Thus, the entire weight is imposed on the main structure rather than the exterior. There are three types of installation systems for cladding. They are as follows. First, attached system. Second, curtain level. Third, infill system. Attached system. As suggestive of the name, this system enables the exterior cladding to attach to the main structure directly in the large panels, usually with a span of one or more stories. It is highly helpful in insulation system of the building as it allows steer clear insulation in the building, protecting it from harsh weather. Curtain wall. A curtain wall system of cladding has to do with the attaching of another frame to the structure that is being attached to the main building. These are an additional exterior structure to an already pre-planned exterior structure to the main building. Usually preferred for multi-story buildings, this system is time efficient in manufacturing. Infill system. In this system, the cladding is infilled between the exterior structure and the main building, providing support to the cladding system. These are the essential non-load bearing functional systems settings of a building. They separate the main exterior building and the extended exposed columns of the main building without harming the external scaffolding. However, this system makes insulation difficult, affects the interior environment, and is not adaptive to climate and weather change. Types of cladding. First, brick cladding. Second, wood cladding. Third, metal cladding. Fourth, ceramic cladding. Fifth, concrete cladding. Sixth, stone cladding. Seventh, composite cladding. Eighth, metal mesh cladding. Ninth, solid surface cladding. And 10th, plastic cladding. Brick cladding. This cost friendly and durable type of cladding looks fashionably stylish and attractive on buildings. It reduces noise leakage and is highly durable in nature and reduces the chance of harm to the building from any natural calamity and harsh weather conditions. This type of cladding doesn't require much maintenance and is commonly used considering its properties of being reusable and recyclable. Wood cladding. Timber, a kind of wood that is highly sophisticated and has a beautiful texture, is of very use to the designers when thinking about cladding. It provides them with different textures and patterns for the exterior of their structure that can enhance its look. It gives the structure an aesthetic look and is environment friendly in nature. Metal cladding. Metal, a very hard material, usually not used for decorative purposes, however, looks fascinating when used for cladding. Different types of metal can be used for the same, with each having their own distinctive feature and style like aluminium, zinc, copper. It is also very sustainable in nature, a good alternative to other cladding materials. Ceramic cladding. Ceramic cladding has been a popular choice for a long time due to its high versatility and aesthetic look on the building. There are other features that pull in to create the demand for the type, like it does not require regular maintenance, high durability, protection from the outside weather. It can be easily installed and there is no staining. It does not wear off so easily and is highly water absorption. Concrete cladding. Concrete cladding is a versatile choice as it gives the building a natural stone finishing and look. It does not require a lot of maintenance and cleaning on a regular basis. That is, if your cladding has been painted. It is a cost effective option and can be given a finishing of our preferred choice, giving it a smooth look. Concrete cladding is also preferred because it can go up against the weather. Stone cladding. Stone cladding is applied to a building made of materials other than stone. It is easy to use as they are ready to use panels that are installed in the building walls. It is available in various textures and sizes, from the basic looking to the aesthetic one with a water repellent coating on top. Composite cladding. Deriving from the name, this kind of cladding is definite to use something of a natural kind of product that is recyclable and reusable, thus low maintenance, like timber fibers, polymer resins. These composite boards are pre-finished and once installed can stay intact to 25 years without any labor working too hard for their maintenance. Being made up of both timber and plastic, it is long lasting and gives it both stiffer and weather resisting qualities. Metal mesh cladding. This type of cladding enlivens up the building and its excellent shading values just adds up to it. It creates unique design effects, each having their own individual uniqueness. It is highly durable and has natural ventilation quality. Metal mesh cladding gives a good view from the inside with the use of daylight. It has various shades and provides thermal comfort. Solid surface cladding. Solid surface cladding has numerous designs and patterns using acrylic solid surface for its making, giving the architecture a wide variety to choose from. Due to the solid structural compound, it has resistance to basically anything of weather conditions and can be easily cleaned or restored in cases of any form of destruction. Plastic cladding. One of the advantages of this type of cladding would be the use of plastic in it, which gives it the basic property of weather resistance and high durability. It is cost friendly and easily available.